Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want your Samsung Health data to sync with Strava, here's the easiest way to connect them. On your Samsung phone, open the Samsung Health app. Make sure you're signed in with your Samsung account. Now tap the three dots at the top right and select Settings. Scroll down and go to Connected Apps and Services section. Here tap Services. Now look for Strava in the list and turn the toggle on. Now log into your Strava account and here tap Authorize. And this is how you confirm the sync and done. Your workouts and activity data will now sync automatically between Samsung Health and Strava. Steps, runs, and more. If it does not sync, try refreshing your data or unlinking and reconnecting the apps. Now you're all set to track your fitness like a pro. Don't forget to like and follow for more tech how-tos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.